What is it, guys? This is your boy Gucci, and today, guys, I am going to be recording an unboxing video for you guys. I am going to be meeting up with my cousin William today. My cousin Chris couldn't pull up, but I'm going to go pick up William today, and we're going to be actually recording in store of us choosing which box to buy and unopen for you guys. I still have here his booster packs from GameStop from last time. He hasn't picked it up yet, but I'm going to go take it to him so he can unbox them with my unboxing. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure he's gonna end up getting something else, but we'll see what happens, guys. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button. If you guys do enjoy the video, make sure you guys hit that like button and share it with your friends. And yep, let's go. Alrighty, guys, here we go. We are back at my cousin Will's house. Huge unboxing for you guys. Check that out. We got that double V box. We got some booster packs that we picked for each other, some Champions Path, Darkness Ablaze, and some Battle Styles. And see what my cousin has over here for himself. Alright, and as you can see, my cousin went all the way out. You want to show him what you got, bro?
Alright, we got a Champions Path box, Shiny Fates box. Got some boosters here.
He got some Rebel Clash, Darkness Ablaze. He said he's doing it for Gucci, guys. Really appreciate my cousin over here. Look at that Sun and Moon. This guy went all out. And, yes, sir. This is where the Charizard is, right here, too. An Evolutions pack, Venusaur. We already know how Venusaur is with the Charizards. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is one and one. I'm going to open one, then my cousin's going to open one. So let's start it out. What should I open first, bro?
Should hit it with the Battle Styles.
Okay, we hitting them with the new news, the Battle Styles. Let's get into it. These are the code card. We got an energy recycler, girder, Cactaroon, Shinx, Gligar, Spoink, Bronzor, Tipig, Holo Rare, Scroll Swirls, and a Victory Bear for the rare. Alright, my cousin's next. What are you gonna box, bro? What do you got?
We're gonna start off with the Rebels Clash.
Alright, he's gonna hit it with the Rebels Clash.
Alright, there's a code card for y'all.
Code card.
I'm gonna start with the energy. Not bad. Got a Sir Skit, Stuffle, Coughing, and a Hawlucha.
Yeah, oh, that's the reverse. That is pretty cool. I've never seen one look like this. That's pretty cool, reverse. Very nice. Alright, we're gonna continue it off with the Darkness Ablaze. Alright, look, there's a chance of it being a 10. Holy. It's a very good package, guys. Shout out to that store. We're not going to tell you guys which one it is, but shout out to that store. There's the code card for y'all. 3, 4. Alrighty, guys. Energy. Cape of Toughness. Virava. Simsiar. Teddy Ursa, Rodiki, Torchic, Trapinch, a Jigglypuff. My sister's gonna have a good one with this one. She's into the Jigglies. Going into her Turbo Patch and whoa, a VMAX Eternatus. Holy VMAX! Look at that, guys.
Beautiful card.
Beautiful ultra rare. All right, we're gonna pull that. I don't know where we're gonna put this one. Right over here. I forgot to get my sleeves, guys, but...
And we're going to kick it off as well. Next up, Battle Styles.
Kind of hard to open, guys, where we have the tripod on there.
Cool card. Kick off with an energy. Okay. Tower Darkness. Girder. Alright. Gligar, Electabuzz, a Bellsprout, and a Mr. Mime.
Those are pretty cool.
Mr. Rhyme.
On a Mr. Rhyme.
Okay.
For the rare. Wow. That was actually pretty cool. Alrighty, guys. You know what's in the Champions Pad. Let's hit the Champions Pad, guys. Code card for you guys. Energy, Victini, Turfield Stadium, Milo, Sizzlipede, NK, Full Heal, Trubbish, Zigzagoon, Pokemon Center Lady, and a holographic rare Professor's Research.
Nice pulls.
Pretty nice, pretty nice.
And we're going to continue off with the Sun and Moon pack. Alright, let's get it open. Alright, code card. Alright, get off with the energy. Professor Cookie. Alright. Not bad. Oh. Alright, well, it's not a secret anymore.
Snowball.
Snubble. Alright.
Oh, very nice for the rare. Cosmone. Pretty nice. Alrighty, guys, we are kicking it off now with the box. So, let's go ahead and get this bad boy carefully opened. Because I do have a display at home that I'm going to put this on. Alrighty, guys, and we have pretty nice promo card there, and the jumbo promo card. Look at that, so cool. And the 4 Champions Paths. Let's get to it. Energy, Absol, Pokemon Center Lady, Great Ball, Weedle, Swablu, Kakuna, Pokeball, Machop, Sonia for the reverse, and a Gardevoir V. Nice Gardevoir V in the...
Okay. So keep it going with the Darkness Ablaze. Alright. Again, there's a code card for you. Alright. Let's keep it going. Okay. Little baddie. Nickit. A Rose, Lightbird, Rose Sour, and nothing here in this pack. No worries.
No worries, you still got a shit ton more to open, guys. Don't even worry about all that. Here we go. Let's get started off with another Champions Path. Code card for y'all. Energy, Machoke, Beedrill, Arbok, Weedle, Purloin, Pokeball, NK, Zigzagoon, Rotom Phone, and for the holographic Zygarde. Pretty nice holographic card, guys. Alright.
Alright, let's keep it going with another Champions Path. Code card.
PD.
Alright. Pokeball.
PD.
NK. Vulpix. Got a Potion. Ekans. Bade. And a Gardevoir V.
Let's go.
And that's it.
Let's go.
Nice.
Pretty nice pull there, guys. Pretty different style from the Gardevoir I pulled. Energy, Absol, Victini, Sonia, Machop, Sizzlipede, Pokeball, Weedle, Kakuna, Sharpedo for the reverse, and another Zygarde Hollow. Same pack, guys.
We're going to kick it off more with the Champions Path again. Code card. Alright, we got a Scraggy, Zigzagoon, Sizzlipede, Pokeball. Okay. Energy, that's a nice little energy there. And a Eldegoss V. Okay.
Let's go, guys.
And anything else? And that's it.
Let's go, guys. Ultra rares. Energy, Sonia, Sharpedo, Arbok, Carvana, Kakuna, Zigzagoon, Roly-Coly, Trubbish, Professor's, oh, and a Hollow, Galarian Obstagoon. Alright, guys.
Keep it going with the Sun and Moon. Code card. Alright, we got Drowsy, Stuffle, oh, and the Wingull as well, Dratini, Lillipup, a nice little hollow Butterfree, and what else can we pull out of here? That's it. Alright, keep going with the Darkness Ablaze. Alright, code card.
Where that?
Right here.
Okay.
Alright, a Clink, okay, Marini, Torchic, Starly, Skamori, Volcarona, nice, and a Tyranitar.
Oh, is that a
Nice.
Hollow? Nice. Tyranitar? Is
Nice,
that-
can we get anything else? And that's it. Alright, next up, we're going to kick it off with a Champion's Path box.
That tree, guys, remember that's where.
Alright, this one came in reverse. Let's see what we can get out of that. Alright, before we do, that's a code card. And we got the promo card right here.
Pretty nice, guys. Pretty nice. Not sure how much that one is going for, but I'm pretty sure it's worth something.
And then we get the gigantic promo card as well. And 4 boosters with it too. Alright.
Energy, Arbok, Victini, Grunt, Rockruff, Zigzagoon, Weedle, Sizzlipede, Swablu, Liepard, and a holographic Katrine, guys, in her own pack.
Alright. Weedle, Inky. Not bad. Keep it going, keep it going. Energy, and looks like we're not getting anything here.
What?
Looks like
Energy, Victini, Hop, Pokemon Center Lady, Linoon, Vulpix, Rockruff, Scraggy, Zigzagoon, and a Scrafty holographic card. Pretty nice, pretty nice.
kick it off with the last Champion's Path for now. A full heal, Trubbish, Zigzagoon, Inkay, Pokeball, Sharpedo, and a Linkernog. Hollow. Can we get anything else? And that'd be it.
It's fucking weird, man. The other one's weird.
Oh, actually, look. Is this a hollow?
That's hot. That's a reverse.
Got a reverse Sharpedo. Slid my mind. Shiny Fates.
That's a Charizard in there, guys.
Alright. Here we got the promo card, Mr. Rhyme. We got the cool pin.
Beautiful pin there, guys.
Also, we got a couple of boosters unopened. Of course, that's it's code for y'all.
Going with a Cacnea, Choodle, Eevee, Nickit, Horsey, ooh, and a shiny holographic Sobble, guys. This is actually, these are actually worth some money here, guys. These are the shinies with the stars on them. You see that? They're different from the regular holographic cards. So this is a pretty good pull, pretty nice pull here, bro. Zarude, I think that's for the rare. Yeah, that's the rare. And yeah.
Alright, kicking off another shiny Fates here. Kicking off with his energy. Rotom. Where's the shield? Floatzel. Choodle. Eevee. Horsey. Cacnea. A Shinx. And another shiny
Ooh, look at that,
Replocked. shiny.
Super cool.
And a Didnov for the rare.
Want to pop open another one?
Go for it, see.
Code card. Energy, Thraki, Radam, Trudel, Eevee, Corsi, Cacnea, Shinx, Reverse Levi. Ooh. And a Decidueye holographic. Pretty clean, guys.
Alright guys, we're not done here. We're going to kick it off with the evolutions as well. Oh!
No.
Right off the bat, a Mewtwo EX. It's a little card trick. That's the first thing that popped up. Alright. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Can we get anything else? You got a Spirit Link, a Blastoise Spirit Link, Energy Retrieval, Machop, Growlithe, Onyx, Nidoran, Poliwag, and a Holo Machop. Alright.
Holy
How about
yes.
that evolutions pack?